This is what my yard looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. This gazebo was gifted to me and I am obsessed with it. It is so much fun. I absolutely love how it elevated my space. Now I have a very cozy sitting area for my family to enjoy evenings and mornings, to be outside more. It is made out of real wood and metal. We have metal roof that has anti-rust coating, so it's gonna last you a while, and the wood is very nice quality. It is very thick and I absolutely love the wash of it. It is so pretty. Assembly wasn't too hard. Took us 3 evenings to complete it because my husband has a full-time job, so the only time we were able to work is after work for a few hours. So it was fairly easy to set this up and I just love the final result. If you're looking for a way to elevate your space in the yard, definitely check this one out. It comes in different sizes, different variations, so just choose whatever works for your family.